Good morning. Let's order some numbers, okay? So pull out Math Lesson 4.6, pages 91 and 92, and grab a pencil and let's begin. Number 1, we're going to connect the dots in order. So we're just practicing counting in order. Our lowest number here is 1, so we're going to begin at 1, then we're going to go to 2, and then we'll go to 3, and then we'll go to 4, and we're going to finish there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If we went backwards, it'd be 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 2. This time, the smallest number is a 0. So I'm going to start at 0. So 0, what comes after 0 when I'm counting? 1. And then I would go down to 2. And then across to 3, 4, and finish at 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I'm going to help this little girl color a path from 0 to 5 to help Lynn get to the library. That's a fancy library she's going to. I'm a little bit jealous that she gets to go to the fancy library. All right, so Lynn is going to start at 0. And I'm going to start here at 0. I'm just going to make a dot. After 0 comes 1. So I'll go to number 1. Then I'll go to number 2. And number 3 would be next. After 3 comes 4. There's a 4 down here. And then 5. And I've just helped her make a path to the library. Have fun, Lynn. Go read a book. Yeehaw. All right, let's turn over to the back of our page. Okay, so what I'm going to do for this is I have to write the numbers in order, and then I am going to color the number of box, just like in a graph, to represent it. Only this time I'm just going to do them in order, so I'm going to end up with a stair-step graph because each number is going to get slightly larger. I'm going to start with the number 0 because they asked me to start with 0. So here is a 0, just a circle. Now, do I need to do anything to represent 0? No, I do not, because 0 means nothing, so I'm not going to color anything in. 0 means nothing. Okay. So the next number will be 1. For 1, I need to shade in one box. I'm just going to make a dot in here because it takes too long to color on the computer and you don't want to watch me color on the computer all day. You want to get on to other things. Okay, so the next number that we have, and I'm choosing a different color for each number just for giggles, is 2. So I'm going to write a 2 here. It's a little bit tricky to see it because I've got this little thing at the bottom, but you know how to make a 2. And I'm going to represent 2 by coloring in 2 boxes. 1, 2. Always starting at the bottom here. The next number will be 3. I'm going to use this yellowish color. There's my 3. And I'm going to make 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. That's how I represent 3. Okay. Next comes 4. Let's make our 4 straight down across and then top to bottom. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, I come to the number 5. Straight across the top, down, and curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you can see with my graph that each row gets a little bit bigger because it's one more than the next. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've represented the numbers with the symbol and also that amount of objects. Okay? So go ahead and finish up and you're done for the day.